close. No problem. Okay.
Here we go. That's one part of it, and that's the riding car, right?
Let's get a flashlight.
Okay.
Let me, here.
So we can push this open more. I think you'll need one.
Oh, that's the tender frame.
That's the bottom of it, yeah.
Yeah, it's oh, look at those trucks.
Let me bring a flashlight.
I got one on my phone, but that's okay. This is an Eagles bike right here.
Yeah, but non-trained people don't know what they're looking at.
How many creepy crowds you got in this bad boy?
Oh, light. Here, you want to move the camera?
Oh,
It's still recording or no? Oh no, you're. Oh, wow.
And these walls are leaded, so bullets won't go through them because this is a real 22 gauge target range.
Oh, wow.
For
Awesome.
all the targets.
There we go. This rolls. Okay, it rolls. No problem. Tire. There you go. Like a boss. Okay. Down. 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 Open up the rolls. Yeah, film this. Here. Here we go. I think that's the cylinder. It's probably just going to get wood. Let's get it loose and have a little point where we can actually move it. Huh? Got any orders? Not that, no. It moves perfectly too. No problem. Not a single problem with it. That's a good thing because the cylinder. Where's the oil can?
Right here.
Let's see the rods. And it's gonna fill it up. So it'll probably curve. Ooh, getting it over the door.
Maybe use wood blocks.
It does. There it is.
Strong work.
There we go. Now let's get this plywood out and we'll just layer it across.
Now be careful because it'll roll back. When we go to the back towards you, okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, stop. I gotta put one more piece of wood.
We could probably move the one in the front. Sure. That works. And then we'll just kind of take it as it goes.
I'm gonna strap it in. Okay.
Right here?
It's half blue and half black.
Let's rest it up on here.
Push those hay bales out of your way. if you want.
Yeah, we'll go around it. Yeah.
I don't want them there. You can get the box out. Online, the any geometry shows for 5 years was filmed here, and this bowling alley was part of the set. So it'll all be wood in the front, but you'll recognize the windows of the building because the shape didn't change. But on top of Old Smoky, Barbara Stanwyck did that one, the Capture, Cisco Kid, most of the Cisco Kid movies, like Satan's Cradle, Last of the Pony Riders, those were all filmed here. All those movies. And then you can see all the men dressed up in drag. They had like bowling parties here. So this is from the 50s when they all dressed up. This is what it looked like before the bowling lanes were put in. And that is the son of the owner of the bowling alley in the middle there, Stan Thompson. That's when they were putting in the bowling lanes a year after it was built. So it was built without the lanes.
Rescuing a Cagney. I never thought I'd do this.